Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and tonight's video is going to be No Bake Oreo Dessert, and this contains everything you need to make what's pictured here on the box. It's a 15-minute prep time, and on the back it says combine crust mix and butter, press onto the bottom of a foil lined 8-inch square pan. If you do not have foil, just simply butter the pan ever so slightly. And then it says, beat the filling mix and milk with mixer on low speed for 30 seconds. The filling, then medium for 3 minutes. Filling will be thick. Reserve 1/2 cup of the cookie pieces. Stir the remaining cookie pieces into the filling. Well, I kind of did it backwards. I put what's supposed to be on top in it, and what's supposed to be in it's on top, so whatever. You can have it any which way you want. And then it says to refrigerate for 1 hour. Well, this has been in my refrigerator since 2 o'clock this afternoon, everybody. So, without any further ado, I'm going to dig myself out a piece here, and we're going to get into this, and I'll tell you what I think about it, and then we'll conclude with a rating. And let's do this, everybody. Okay, everybody, here it is out of the container. I'm going to bust myself off a little piece here. It came out of the pan really nice, so hopefully I like this. Here we go, everybody. Oh my Lord. You know what? That is super delicious. So creamy. Tastes so good. Would you like a piece? Oh, you'll be alright. I'm over here.
Video.
It won't show you.
I got the coffee pot ready.
Yeah, I put the filter in there for you. Wow. That tastes so good. That turned out just great. I think this is only maybe the first or second time I've made this. Usually what I do is I buy the pre-made pie crust and I just put the filling in it. But this time I thought, let's just do it the way the box says. And like I said, here you can make, it's got the instructions how to make a pie, how to freeze, and to make serving easy. It says dip the pie plate just to the rim in hot water for easier cutting and serving. So, that being said, let's have one more little bite here, and we'll give this a rating. Can't quit eating. Wow, y'all. That is just really good. The texture is really great on the filling, and the cookies are still nice, and they got a little bit of a crunch to them like Oreos normally would. It all come together just great, and I'm really impressed. It tastes so good. Here, take the fork. It came together great, and I myself, on a 1 to 5 scale, will give this a straight on. 5 all day long. This package here was $3 at the grocery store. It was $2.99. It was very much worth it. If you have not tried this, I definitely recommend to go out and give it a try. If you're an Oreo connoisseur, you will like this. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And that's it, guys and gals. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. And be sure to check out our playlist for more videos like this. This video will be located on our Oreo Cookies Only playlist. You just click on that tab, and it will open up every Oreo we've ever reviewed. And that's it. I have nothing more. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there in the world, my friends. It's a crazy place these days. And till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and good night. Bye-bye.